Today's video will let you know more about Cruiser 2. It has become even smarter. Let's dive in. Cruiser 2 is intelligent in a more liberated sense. With personalized protection settings, we no longer use the previous box selection quadrilateral arming operation. Now you can use 6 points to set the monitoring area freely. You can place the shape however you like, just like this. More precise intelligence. Cruiser 2 can intelligently track people and vehicles and guard the home with precise AI algorithm. It also enables real-time alerts to deter visitors proactively. When someone breaks into the armed area, Cruiser 2 can actively deter and even customize the warning sound to remind parents and their children to stay away from the set area or persuade unwelcome visitors away.
Hey baby girl, stay away from the balcony.
At the same time, it will give you real-time feedback via push notifications and will also tell you what happened in real time to ensure family safety. Cruiser 2, intelligence changes life.